This is a 200-ton per day wheat flour milling plant, from raw grain intake, cleaning, and milling to packaging, all in 6 floors. 1 building, 1 complete flour production line. Let's focus on the milling section. 2nd floor, the milling floor. 12 electronically controlled roller mills turn wheat into flour. This is the heart of the entire plant. 3rd floor, the pipe floor. Pipes rely on gravity for material transfer, no extra power needed. 4th floor, 6 purifiers, 2 bran finishers and 4 intermediate scales, improving flour fineness and extraction rate. 5th floor, 5 plansifters, ensuring consistent flour quality and continuous production. 6th floor, the air collection floor. Equipped with fans and a pulse dust collector, preventing dust explosion risks and keeping the workshop clean. Now the packaging section. After multiple processing stages, the flour goes into 8 bins. A computer system automatically blends the flour before it enters the packing process, ensuring stable output and maximizing your profits. High-end grain machinery, 70 years of experience, dedicated to flour milling solutions.